Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, the channel where we analyze motorcycles with clear, detailed breakdowns. Today's script covers the 2026 Yamaha XT150 Blue Edition, a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle designed for efficiency, daily usability, and mild off-road capability. Yamaha continues to refine this model with practical updates, improved comfort, and a striking new blue color scheme that enhances its identity. Overview of the 2026 Yamaha XT150 Blue Edition. The 2026 XT150 remains focused on being a dependable entry-level dual-sport machine. Known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and adaptability, the XT150 sits in the sweet spot for riders who want a bike that can commute through traffic while still handling dirt roads and light trails. Signature color. It remains compact, approachable, and cost-effective, making it appealing to new riders, students, city commuters, and anyone who wants an easy, low-maintenance motorcycle. Engine and performance. The 2026 XT150 is powered by a 149 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, engineered for longevity and low operating costs. Yamaha keeps the motor straightforward, ensuring easy maintenance and excellent fuel economy. The engine produces smooth, usable power ideal for city streets and light off-road riding. The low-end torque helps the bike pull cleanly from stop-and-go traffic, while the mid-range remains adequate for moderate highway speeds. Though not designed for aggressive off-road use, the responsive throttle and light overall weight make the XT150 enjoyable on gravel paths and rural backroads. A 5-speed manual transmission provides predictable gear ratios, allowing riders to shift smoothly between urban riding and light trail exploration. The clutch is light and beginner-friendly, helping new riders gain confidence quickly. Chassis and frame. Yamaha builds the XT150 around a lightweight steel frame designed for strength and maneuverability. The compact structure gives the bike a nimble feel, allowing riders to weave through traffic or navigate tight off-road sections with ease. The frame geometry provides stability without feeling heavy, and the low weight helps riders maintain control over uneven surfaces. Yamaha keeps the build robust enough to handle rough daily use, making it suitable for riders who need a motorcycle that can survive varied road quality. Suspension and handling. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and a monoshock rear suspension, tuned to absorb bumps, potholes, and light off-road impacts. This balanced suspension makes the XT150 comfortable on rough city roads and capable on dirt tracks. For new riders, the forgiving suspension helps build confidence. For experienced riders, it still offers enough feedback to stay engaging. The overall handling remains predictable and lightweight, allowing riders to maintain control in varied environments, from city shortcuts to countryside trails. Braking and wheels. Braking is delivered through a front disc brake and a rear drum or disc, depending on market, offering dependable stopping performance for a bike in this class. The braking feel is progressive and manageable, ideal for riders who are learning and those commuting daily. The wheel setup features a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel, giving the bike a confident stance for mixed terrain use. These wheels help maintain stability on uneven surfaces while still keeping the XT150 agile in urban environments. Dual-purpose tires provide grip on both pavement and dirt. Ergonomics and rider comfort. The 2026 Blue Edition comes with improved seating and ergonomic touches. The upright riding position reduces fatigue on long rides, while the handlebars are set at a comfortable width for easy control. The foot peg position gives enough leverage for standing on light off-road sections and keeps the riding triangle relaxed. The seat has upgraded cushioning compared to previous versions, making it more comfortable for commutes and short touring rides. At the same time, the narrow profile helps smaller riders reach the ground easily. Wind protection is minimal, typical for dual-sport bikes, but the slim blue bodywork allows easy movement when switching between seated and standing positions. Blue Edition styling and design. Yamaha highlights the 2026 XT150 Blue Edition with a bold new finish. The deep blue paint, paired with updated graphics, brings a sharp and energetic look to the motorcycle. The color choice reinforces Yamaha's signature identity while giving the XT150 a more modern and eye-catching presence. The body panels are compact, functional, and designed to enhance agility. The front fender, tank shape, and side shrouds all contribute to the XT150's sporty dual-sport appearance. Technology and features. The XT150 stays simple in its technology, focusing on reliability and ease of use. The analog-digital instrument cluster provides essential information including speed, fuel level, and trip data. This minimalistic system ensures fewer electronic components and low maintenance. LED lighting improves visibility and energy efficiency, particularly for nighttime commuting. Yamaha supports the model with accessories such as luggage racks, handguards, and crash protection for riders who want to personalize the bike. Light off-road performance. The XT150 is not a hardcore off-road machine, but it performs impressively on light trails. Its lightweight frame, slim profile, and responsive engine make it suitable for gravel roads, rural paths, and mild adventure riding. The suspension offers enough travel to absorb common off-road obstacles, while the dual-sport tires maintain traction on mixed surfaces. Riders who enjoy weekend exploring will find the XT150 capable and enjoyable without being intimidating. Daily practicality and efficiency. The XT150 excels as a daily commuter. Its excellent fuel economy, low service costs, and easy upkeep make it a practical choice for budget-focused riders. The engine is designed for long-term reliability, allowing owners to rack up miles without worrying about complicated repairs. Its light weight makes parking, maneuvering, and city riding effortless. Whether used for work commutes, small deliveries, or weekend escapes, the XT150 Blue Edition proves itself as a dependable multipurpose motorcycle. The 2026 Yamaha XT150 Blue Edition stands out as a practical, economical, and visually striking dual-sport motorcycle. With its reliable engine, lightweight chassis, balanced suspension, and updated blue styling, it remains an excellent choice for new riders, commuters, and anyone seeking an easygoing machine for mixed-terrain use. If you want similar scripts for more 2026 models or quick 60-second breakdowns, feel free to ask.